Back on the channel with another video, and probably some of you know already that Samsung A series is one of the company most successful series. It's more affordable than the top-end Galaxy S but delivers many of the same experience, meaning that in terms of volume Samsung sells a lot more Galaxy A than it does the flagship. So Samsung just released 3 of a new A series smartphones, A52, A52 and this one Galaxy A52 5G. So there are 2 versions of Galaxy A52 but they are not quite equals. And today we're gonna do a quick unboxing and hopefully a quick hands-on on this Galaxy A52 5G. A52 5G is coming in blue, white, violet and black. Actually in awesome blue, awesome white, awesome violet and awesome black, just because it's awesome. Okay, so this is the box, quite a normal box on this A series usually, and it's coming in this blue color. Galaxy A52 5G on the side, nothing on the other 2 sides, and we got the model A52 5G with awesome blue 128GB of storage and 6GB of memory RAM. And because it's all sealed, let's cut these seals and let's have a look what's inside. Okay. Alright, let's open the box. Okay, this is the smartphone. Let's see, what do we have here? Hoping for a case, probably not. Just some papers, user manuals. If you want to read, of course. We got this SIM removal tray. Okay, let's put this away. Also, we got the smartphone in this blue color. We got also a USB Type-C cable, and we got the adapter. So on this box we got an adapter which is charging the smartphone up to 25 watts. It should go. It's saying 15 watts or 10 watts with this adapter that it's into the box. Okay, so no 25 on this adapter. And one more time, this is what you got into the box: the smartphone, USB Type-C cable, the SIM pin, adapter, warranty card and a quick start guide. And looking on the back, I can see and feel that it's a matte finish. It's a plastic matte finish, and it does feel quite alright. It's not that much fingerprint magnet, but anyway, it just stand out, at least on this color. If I tap it on the back, it doesn't feel that solid, feels a bit soft. But anyway, I do like especially the camera array. It's not a huge blink lamp like in Galaxy S series. It's integrated better, even if it's overstuffed with the sensors. I do like also that it's coming with this little halo effect. This halo effect, it's around the camera, and all the camera are circular, if you can see. 4 cameras and the flash LED on the back. For a weight of 189 grams, it does feel actually comfortable into the hand. It doesn't feel heavy at all. The thickness is also 8.4 millimeters. Also on this right side we got the power button, the volumes. On the top we got some sensors, and we got the SIM tray. Let's open it, see what do we have inside. So we got a dual SIM, but also if you want extra storage, you just have to choose only one SIM plus the micro SD card. Or, because it's coming already with 128 storage, you can put 2 SIM cards at the same time. On the left side, nothing else. On the bottom we got the speaker grill, we got the support for USB and the jack audio, still on this A series, which is quite a nice touch. And after setting up the device, now we can have a better look on the device. I can see that all four edges are quite thin. Even the bottom chin is looking quite thin. Looks quite the same, all of them. Also we got this dot display right here in the middle of the screen, and the other speaker grill on the top. Also Galaxy 52 5G, it's coming with a Super AMOLED display at 120 Hz refresh rate and 800 nits. Also the size of the screen is 6.5 inches with 84.9 screen to body ratio. And because this smartphone is coming with dual stereo speakers, we can test out the sound, and let's give it a try. Not on maximum, so watch out. Give it a bit more. Yeah, it's a difference from the previous models on A51 and A50. So it's better to have dual stereo speakers. The sound is quite good. You can feel actually a bit of bass. And this surround music, it's actually good to have on a smartphone. So quite great for this model A52 5G to have stereo speakers. And moving a bit on the menu, quite simple, the same applications, not that many, but like usual for Samsung. And moving on, we got an Android 11 One UI 3.1. And inside we got a Snapdragon 750 on 8 nanometers, and the GPU is an Adreno 619. Also on the following days we're gonna do even more tests. We're gonna do an AnTuTu benchmark test, and probably we're gonna do a whole video with games. So if you got any suggestions, please leave it in the comments. Okay, so this is the menu. Alright. Let's go a bit on the display, because this A52 5G, it's coming also with 120 Hz refresh rate. So now you can choose between 60 or go higher with 120 Hz for a better experience. And actually I do prefer to have 120 Hz for a better experience. It's running quite smooth, and it's actually quite fast, if you can see. Let's go back on the main menu, and also you can choose on dark mode if you want to, or just leave it on light. You got also always on display, and you got this color temperature always on display. Let's go sunset to sunrise, or you can customize in the way that you like it. Screen mode, you can choose from vivid, natural. So on vivid you can choose the white balance to be more warm or even cold. And let's go back a bit, see what else we got. We got this edge panel, we got the navigation bar, so you can choose from buttons or even swipe gestures. Touch sensibility, show charging information, and so on. Let's go back again, see what else we got in here. Lock screen. On lock screen here you can choose the lock screen type, pattern, or also the face recognition. Okay, let's see one more time. Okay, it's working. That's it. Also, if we go back on biometrics and security, you can add also your fingerprint. So you got the face recognition already, but you can add your fingerprint. And because I add my fingerprint, you can choose a fingerprint unlock. And let's have a look on that. Tap once. Okay, it doesn't show it. Tap twice. okay, showing, but was the face recognition. But also you can select on fingerprint always on. So if you got always on display, the screen icon when screen is off, on always on display, tap to show or never. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, it's showing the animation right here, the icon, and then you can actually unlock your device, which is working quite fast. It's good enough. And now let's move a bit on battery and device care. And on battery you got 4500 milliamp with fast charging on 25 watts and 50% in 30 minutes. This is advertised but not tested yet. On storage you got 128, plus you can add a micro SD card, and the memory is 6 GB for this model. And you got device protection, of course. You got also many apps and software update. And let's have a look if we got an update already. No, the security patch level was on 1st February 2021, so it's up to date at this moment. And now last on the list would be the camera. This one is coming with a quad camera, and we got a 64 megapixel wide primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. We got also a 5 megapixel macro and another 5 megapixel deep camera. We can record video at 4K at 30 frames per second, full HD videos at 30 and 120 frames per second. And also with the front camera, which is a wide camera, 32 megapixel, we can also record videos at 4K with 30 frames per second and also full HD at 30 frames per second. And let's have a look on the camera menu. We got single take, photo, video and more. We got AR Doodle Pro mode, panorama, food, night mode, macro, portrait, pro video, super slow motion and hyperlapse. Let's go back on video. If you can see, you can select Ultra HD 30 frames per second, Full HD at 60 or 30 and HD at 30. On photo you can choose also 64 megapixel, and let's try it out. Let's do a quick photo on this box. Okay, and also normal. Alright, and let's have a look. Looks a bit blurry, shaky, maybe because of my hand. And this is with the 64 megapixel, and yeah, it's looking much better now. So depends if you're shaking too much or wait to be stable. Okay, much better now, and you can have a better look now. Yeah, I haven't done a test with the camera yet, but maybe we're gonna do on a further video. And before to end this video, we're just gonna go on this quick panel, and as you can see, you can search, you can power off the device, you can go on the settings, and you can edit the buttons and the status bar. Also you got the shortcuts for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, portrait, flight mode, mobile data, location, link to Windows, screen recorder, smart view, eye comfort, dark mode, Dolby Atmos, so you can select or deselect Dolby Atmos, NFC for payments, always on display, or you can even add more shortcuts like live captions, Bixby routine, quick share, secure Wi-Fi, focus mode, kids home, call and text on other devices, secure folder, and scan QR mode. So you actually got a lot of shortcuts on this quick panel on your device. The price for this model on Samsung UK, it's $399, but you can benefit of different promotions. You can claim for this model Galaxy Buds. Also you can trade in your old device to get a better price. So what can I say? Quite interesting. A new mid-range on the market, quite strong. I would say is looking great on the back. We got stereo speakers, we got 120 Hz refresh rate plus AMOLED, quite a good size battery, and 25 watts fast charging, and probably a good offer, good price with all these benefits for this Galaxy 52 5G. Being said, thank you for watching, and on the following videos, like I said, we may do an AnTuTu benchmark test and maybe a gameplay on this model. Thank you again, and see you soon with another interesting video.